So apparently every year I make a custom Christmas diecast, and this was the Christmas diecast I made this year. I didn't show you the one from last year because it was simple. So, anyways, this is a diecast that I made. It's basically Rudolph, which is Luigi, and Lightning McQueen, which is actually Santa. And Santa is actually called Lightning McSanta for this one, and this one's called Luigi the Red-Nosed, or Red-Hooded Raincar, or reindeer, whatever you call it. So I put this together by using some tight tape. Sometimes some of them are like not tight, and they can fall sometimes. And what I did last year is that I made Mater be Rudolph, and he didn't have a sled. So, and this one's since Luigi is small, these are tight in so that it can drive, but unfortunately it can't float. You have to pick it up with your hands. But I think it can go through this. Nope, it can't. It's hilarious. And I made this just in time for this Christmas because right now I know Freeform's airing life size, and I don't know what the heck life size is, but it's a Disney film for some reason. And they said it was meant to be on Disney Channel and not a home video release. But no. Instead it was a home video release. Also, it does roll, but since this one's attached to a sled, Santa wouldn't move, unlike last year when he didn't have a sled, so he couldn't move. So you hear two cars rolling at the same time. So, yeah. And also, you might be thinking, hey, am I going to be doing a 25 Days of Christmas thing? Yes, I will. And you probably have been thinking from the McQueen Fest day. I said, I believe I might be doing a creepypasta reading on Cars the Lost Speed of Tape. But no, that was never true. That was a troll pasta, not a creepypasta. So, yeah. So, if you guys like this diecast, leave your comments below about it. So, anyways, that was the diecast. Crispy Lightning McQueen, Disney Store. Yeah, this one's from Disney Store, and that one's from Mattel. So, this one's from Walmart. So, that's the diecast. Hope you guys enjoy. Please leave the like and subscribe to my channel. There will be many more videos in the upcoming future. Bye, guys.